This is Audiocontrol's new Epic Series amplifier. Today, we're going to find out all about it and some of its really unique features. This is the new Epic Series 2001 amplifier from Audiocontrol. Let's take a look at some of the new features that make this amplifier series so special. Looking at the end of the amplifier here, we have the power protect light, the maximize light for setting up your gain structure to its maximum potential. Inputs, outputs, they're shipped with these protective covers over them, so if you're not using your outputs, you can leave them on. Gain control, low pass filter with the frequency adjustment of 40 to 180 Hz, subsonic filter from off to 50 Hz, Epic boost from 30 to 80 Hz, and the level control for the Epic boost. The plug here in the bottom is for the remote level control, which is the new ACR-E for Epic. Flipping it over to the other end, we have a 0-gauge ground and power input with an 8-gauge remote turn on, 4-gauge positive and negative speaker outputs, and then located here in the middle, we have a 1 amp fuse for the new Epicenter link, along with the ACR-E bass knob in the box. We also get the Epicenter link cable, which is right here, and it comes with a spare fuse as well. This is a 1 meter length cable that has the 4-pin end for the amplifier on one end and the standard Epicenter end on the other. Also in the box is a set of Allen keys and screws in order to properly install the amplifier and screw it into place. Let's take a look at how the Epicenter link is installed. All our power connections are made to the Epic amplifier. Take the Epicenter link, square end, and plug it into the amplifier clip side down. The Concert Series Epicenter, remove the power plug and take the new Epicenter link plug with the screw terminals facing up and plug in. Next, remove the RCAs from the amplifier and plug them into the balanced left and right input. With an additional RCA, take the source end plugged into the left and right output and plug the opposite end back into the amplifier. This completes the loop for sound to now come into the Epicenter and then pass off to our Epic Series amplifier. Plug the effects knob cable into the Concert Series and plug the opposite end into the ACR1 controller. Mount this in the front of the car next to our ACR-E. You'll now have level control as well as effects control for the Epicenter. Next, let's use the Epicenter link to connect an Epicenter micro. Plug the small square 4-pin connector back into the amplifier, clip side down. The Epicenter micro uses a 4-pin connector instead of the supplied 3-pin connector. However, they will still function. Line up the black ground wire with the ground wire input and insert the connector. The pin configuration is the same. Remove the RCA inputs and then plug them into line in left and right. Grab your additional RCA, put the flagged in on your output left and right, and then connect the other end back into your amplifier. Then connect the supplied controller wire that comes with the Epicenter micro to the micro. You can remove the Epic bass control knob from your installation. However, do not reuse this wire. They are not the same. You can then connect the supplied ACR4. The reason for this is the ACR4 is a dual control knob. The inner knob is for effect, the exterior knob is for volume control. This allows you to just have one knob mounted into the dash. Epicenter. So now you know how to take your Epic Series amplifier to the next level, incorporating either the Epicenter Concert Series or the Epicenter Micro to give you the most potential out of your amplifier and subwoofer combinations. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you learned a lot from this, and we'll see you later next time.